What's the meaning of conch? Conch. Conch.
Conch. Conch. A conch is a type of sea snail with a spiral-shaped shell. The shells of some conch species are used as musical instruments, while others are collected as souvenirs or used for ornamental purposes. In cuisine, conch is eaten in various dishes such as chowders, fritters, and ceviche, and is popular in Caribbean and Bahamian cuisine. Additionally, conch pearls, which are found inside the shells of certain conch species, are highly valued in jewelry making for their unique coloration and pattern. Overall, conch has cultural, culinary, and commercial significance.